Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to install CapCut on your MacBook for free. So let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is open your preferred web browser. For me, it will be Google Chrome, and then search up CapCut install. So I will do that. CapCut install. And now you have to scroll down to this link over here, which is this CapCut.com, and click on this link. I will keep this link in the description box below to make it easier for you guys to go on it. And now you will see this option over here, download for Mac. You click it and the download will start over here. So we have to wait for the download to finish.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so guys, as you can see, my download is installed and it is right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on it and then drag this CapCut into the applications folder. So it's gonna copy this into this application folder, and after it's done, you go to your application folder. You go to the applications. So in your finder, go to applications and search up CapCut. So as you can see, it's gonna be here, and then you click enter, you open it, and it's gonna open. Yeah, so as you can see, it's open, and this is your CapCut. It's right here. So you can start creating, and you drag your files and everything, and you export it from here. So yeah, it's this easy. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something, and this is how you install CapCut. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.